Hello and welcome to the internship studio on AutoCAD Essentials. I am Prabhakaran, Autodesk Certified Associate with you. Before entering into the session, let us discuss about the basics of the AutoCAD Essentials. Let us discuss about why we need this AutoCAD and what we are going to learn from this and how we are going to approach this AutoCAD. Okay, right. First, let us discuss about why we need this AutoCAD. Before entering into this, let us discuss about the basics of the engineering drawing. Okay, now you have two drawings. One is tree, another one is a car. Okay, let us make the difference between these two. First one is a tree, it is a nature. Another one is a car, it is artificial. Then, in the similar way, if you talk about this difference between these two, tree does not have any prescribed shape and size. Car, each and every part has a prescribed size and shapes. Car will move from one place to another place. Tree does not move. In the similar way, we can describe the difference between these two in many ways. So, in general, in engineering drawing, these two things we can say tree is a sketch and the car is called as technical drawing. Tree does not have any prescribed size and shape, so it doesn't need any engineering tool at all to draw such a tree or such a plant. But coming to the technical drawing, the technical name itself, it says and describes that it needs some technical input, at the same time technical tools. Every parts of the car, it has a prescribed shape and size. It needs some extra tool, a specified tool, just like a compass, protractor, pro circle, scale to draw as such a shape in a proper way. So that is why it is called as technical drawing. Why we are talking about the technical drawing? See, this AutoCAD program is going to help you to draw as such a technical drawing. Using the drawing only, we are going to fabricate, we are going to build, we are going to manufacture. Okay, so we need a common platform. Okay, now let us discuss. Okay, so imagine we are going to build a new design or new car for the future. Before going to build a new car, let me know your basic knowledge of engineering, how it is. Okay, so we will do some kind of role play or kind of a funny kind of activities. Okay, right. So let me ask you one thing. Just can you able to draw a rectangle? I will give you 2 minutes of time. Please draw a rectangle. Okay, just I'm going to try with you now. Right, I drawn a rectangle. Some of you drawn, some of you didn't draw. Why? They need some more data. What is the data? They need some measurement, right? Okay, now I'm giving the measurement. Draw a rectangle of 50 cross 25. Okay, now you have the measurement. Can you draw now? Okay, now my second attempt, I'm going to draw again. Okay, I drawn a rectangle of 50 cross 25. Still, some of you drawn, some of you did not draw. Why? They need some more input, some more data. What is that? I said 50 cross 25, but this 50 cross 25 on what unit it is? So they need a unit, right? Now I'm giving a unit mm. Now we are going to draw the rectangle without a steel rule, without a scale. Okay, why? Because we are very familiar of those instruments since we are using from the child age. So you know 50 mm in the sense 5 centimeters how much? 2.5 centimeters how much? Keeping that imagination, we are going to draw a rectangle. As an engineer, we should have a good imagination capacity. Now, please check the rectangle what you drawn among yourself. Somebody drawn horizontal, somebody drawn vertical, somebody drawn inclined, all are rectangle only. Apart from this, some of your drawings rectangle is small, some of your drawn rectangle big. According to their imagination, 50-25 is different way, right? So it cannot be same for all. It is obvious that human error is acceptable. So this kind of human error will not be acceptable when we go for designing some instruments, when you go for designing and manufacturing some components. So what we need there? We need a common platform. We need a universal platform. We need a global platform that will allow us to draw a uniform way. What is that? That is called as AutoCAD. Still, we have to discuss more about this AutoCAD that we'll discuss in future. Okay. Next step, what we are going to learn from the AutoCAD, what it has, we are going to discuss now. So AutoCAD is a common tool for all engineering. For example, if you are a mechanical engineering or if you are a civil engineering, the same AutoCAD tool is used to produce a drawing. For example, mechanical engineer is drawing a square and box. What he say? They say it is a box. The same drawing drawn by the civil engineer, they will say this is a window. This is a door. Okay. The same way, if this rectangle is drawn by the electrical engineer, they say it is a motherboard, a circuit board. But see here, the object is same, but the perspective of the view is different. Okay. Similar way, it is used for textile engineering, dental design, and jewelry making. Okay. And we can use AutoCAD to create two-dimensional drawing, orthographic view, front view, top view from the three-dimensional, or directly we can draw front view, top view, side view. And real assembly, if you have a physical products with you, how will you assemble? The similar way, you can model in 3D and you can assemble in a real way. Then we can do three-dimensional modeling as well as surface modeling. Surface modeling is extensively used to design a vehicle bodies, aircraft bodies. Okay, this is the simple best tool for them. Next, data migration. Data migration means what? Don't think this AutoCAD only is the software available for designing. Apart from this AutoCAD, we have plenty of softwares across the world. Unigraphics, Creo, Pro Engineering, SolidWorks, CAD. These are the different programs related to the CAD. You can transfer your drawing from one software to the another software. This is called as data migration. Okay. Then around 90 to 99% of the institutions and industries nowadays, they're using AutoCAD program for designing. Okay. So why? Because it is very user friendly, easy to create and modify. Okay. And apart from this, once you know this AutoCAD, it will create a job opportunities worldwide. Why? Because we are using a global software which is manufactured by the Autodesk company. I said 99% of the industry and institutions across the world, they are using it. So once you know this AutoCAD essentials, you are eligible to get job anywhere in the world. Okay. Apart from this, you can do freelancer job and you can communicate with any engineers across the world. That is called concurrent engineering. Okay. Finally, you can become a certified CAD engineer by the Autodesk. So this AutoCAD Essential will lead towards this certification. So what I'm coming to say, this AutoCAD Essential will going to give you the fundamentals to the expert level of the AutoCAD. Okay, right. Next, how we are going to approach, how we are going to communicate with the AutoCAD program. There are three ways. One is through command prompt, another one is menu bar, another one is toolbar. So these informations, what is meant by command prompt, what is meant by menu bar, what is meant by toolbar, we will discuss in the next session. Okay. And each session we are going to have a hands-on practice. First, we will discuss about the concepts, commands, basics of the commands. Then we will have a practice with keeping the live examples. Okay. Then, how was the design department before the computer? Before the computer, it is completely a manual. drawing by manual, checking by manual, inspection by manual. We need a huge drawing board and paper, tools, and we need a separate storeroom to keep those drawings safe. There are a lot of difficulties. But nowadays, all things are replaced with a simple computer. Designing, modification, inspection, visualization, everything has become very colorful and very enthusiastic and very aesthetic. That means what? Easily we can create, modify, edit. It is easy way to bring your idea on the computer and make everyone to understand. Okay, so by this we are going to end the introduction of the AutoCAD essentials. Next session we will discuss about the AutoCAD introduction.